Following the high-voltage drama in the national capital by AAP workers over the arrest of party chief Arvind Kejriwal in link with a defamation case filed by BJP leader Nitin Gadkari, Gadkari's lawyer Anil Soni said that Kejriwal should stop staging drama on the streets and follow the law instead. He made the comments while talking exclusively to NNIS. Soni said defying the law is not an act of sensibility. He added Kejriwal could have simply done what the court had asked him to do and sat at home peacefully, but the AAP leader chose to take a different route to garner electoral gain. Soni added if Kejriwal is really an honest common man as he claims, then he would not have evaded law.
It's a defamation case by Nitin Gadkari ji of the BJP, and the court has prima facie held that he seems to be guilty, Kejriwal seems to be guilty, and he was summoned to the court and he was asked to furnish a bail bond, sign it and go back home. And we also, Nitin Gadkari's side also did not object to that, because the law of the land is that you have to file, you have to sign a form which I have in my hand. It's a form number 45. It's a bail bond. It says if in case you default in appearing on the next date, you have to forfeit 10,000 of rupees, whichever amount the court says. In this case, it was 10,000. He refuses to sign on this. He says, I'll give some other kind of undertaking, which of course in our republic it cannot happen. It could happen in some banana republic, but not in here. Here the law for every man, for every citizen is common. This form is also common. He needs to sign it. If he doesn't sign it, it's his wish. He is gone inside of his own will, of his own free will, to gain free publicity.
Soni said Kejriwal still has an option of correcting his mistake rather than escalating the issue.
The option is to come out and prove that he has not defamed Arvind Kejriwal, and with the allegations that he is trying to show on the road, shouting on the roads, on the streets of Delhi, he needs to prove them on record in the court of law and say that he is not defamed. They are correct. But that he is not doing. He is only shouting on the streets or in the cage that he is in right at the moment.
The lawyer also told NNIS about the maximum amount of punishment that Kejriwal can get in this case.
The maximum punishment is up to 2 years after the court decides the case.
Powered by NNIS.